first wardrobe fitting for Rachel Berry for season 5. I've missed her so much, and I think we can all say we've missed her as well. All right, guys, let's talk about Nick Cannon. Did you hear about this one? He publicly is supporting Amanda Bynes in her time of crisis. You may remember they worked on a show together and are old friends. And right now we've got the AGT host telling us why he's rallying behind the fallen star, who he considers his sister.
We all go through tough times, famous or not.
Nick Cannon's friendship with Amanda Bynes is all of that and more. The American Got Talent host has reached out to his former Nickelodeon co-star, who has admitted